This is the Surrey Top hardtop headliner for the Triumph TR4, TR4A, TR5 and TR250 models. So it lines the inside of the detachable hardtop Surrey Top of the car. So it comes in two separate pieces. You get the actual headliner area here. This has been made in the white PVC as original. We can also supply in black PVC, which is also an original option, or for an upgraded option, we can do it in Woolcloth, as per sort of Jaguars of that era. Very nice, luxurious headliner material. So you get the same piece here. Looks a bit messy on this version because of the way the loops are on the back, which I'll get to. So this is the front of the car, back of the car, left, right. So this is the face. This would be obviously upside down. This is what you would see as you were sat in the car. On the back of it, the reason it's all puckering up is because it's got these seams sewn on the back of it. So again, front of the car over here. What we've got here, you've got scrim seams that create a loop. There's a loop in there. It's very hard to see because it's black. On the Surrey Top, you've got rods that go from left to right on the car. So these loops here for the rods for attaching it on there. So you get that piece there. And then in addition to that, I'll just fold that up. You also get what we call the rear screen surrounds of the Surrey Top. So all the metalwork that goes around the rear Surrey Top screen area, you get pre-cut bits of material. Again, available in white PVC, black PVC or Woolcloth if you prefer. So you get a pair there which do the sort of uprights of the rear screen just above the B-post pillar. You get these two bits here which go from the sort of the quarter panel round to the sort of back around the bulkhead area on the horizontal. The previous ones were on the vertical. And then you get two pieces here. One does the carries on that line going around above the sort of bulkhead area, just above there, and then the other one does the upper part of the actual rear screen area, so the bit that kind of almost touches the Surrey Top when it's put into the car. So that is your kit.